Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of delicious and healthy recipes. Today we have something special in store for you. We'll be counting down the top 10 healthy meal ideas, from breakfast to dinner, that are not only nutritious, but also incredibly tasty. So get ready to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Let's dive right in. Number 10. Quinoa Breakfast Bowl, a protein-packed morning delight. At number 10 is a tasty quinoa breakfast bowl. It's packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients to start your day on a healthy note. Cook the quinoa as instructed, fluff it with a fork, and let it cool slightly. In a bowl, combine the quinoa with various toppings like fresh fruits, bananas, berries, and apples, crushed nuts like almonds or walnuts, honey, or cinnamon. Customize it with your favorite fruits, nuts, or seeds. Add Greek yogurt or almond milk for creaminess. This breakfast bowl is versatile and delicious, with a blend of flavors and textures. Enjoy! Number 9. Caprese Salad, a colorful feast for lunch. Caprese Salad takes the 9th spot with its colorful combination of ripe tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, basil, and balsamic glaze. Slice tomatoes and mozzarella, arrange them with basil leaves, and drizzle with balsamic glaze. This visually appealing salad is also nutritious, with tomatoes offering vitamins C and A, mozzarella providing calcium and protein, and basil adding a refreshing taste and anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy the caprese salad as a light and delightful lunch or side dish. Number 8. Zucchini Noodles with Avocado Pesto, a guilt-free pasta alternative. Try this guilt-free twist on a classic favorite, zucchini noodles with avocado pesto. Swap pasta for zucchini noodles to enjoy a flavorful, low-carb and fiber-rich meal. Make the zucchini noodles by spiralizing or julienning them. Then lightly sauté in olive oil. For the avocado pesto, blend ripe avocados, basil, garlic, and olive oil until smooth. Season with salt and pepper. Toss the zucchini noodles with the avocado pesto and add cherry tomatoes, pine nuts, or Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. This dish is a satisfying pasta alternative that's rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and heart-healthy fats. Enjoy guilt-free. Number 7. Baked Salmon with Lemon Dill Sauce, a nutritional powerhouse for dinner. Baked salmon with lemon dill sauce is a delicious and nutritious dish. Season and bake the salmon, then prepare a tangy lemon dill sauce with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, dill, and garlic. Serve the salmon with the sauce, roasted vegetables, and quinoa for a flavorful and healthy meal. The salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids and protein, while the sauce adds a zesty flavor. Roasted vegetables and quinoa offer fiber and nutrients to complete the dish. Enjoy this tasty and nourishing recipe. Number 6. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast, a delicious way to incorporate greens. In 6th place, we have spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. Preheat the oven, season chicken breasts, and stuff them with a mixture of fresh spinach, crumbled feta cheese, garlic, and olive oil. Bake until the chicken is cooked through. Remove toothpicks and let it rest. Spinach provides vitamins and iron, while feta cheese adds flavor and protein. Serve with roasted vegetables or a salad for a flavorful and nutritious meal. Number 5. Mango Avocado Salad, a burst of refreshing flavors. At number 5, we have Mango Avocado Salad, a vibrant and refreshing dish. This salad combines juicy mangoes, creamy avocados, fresh greens, and a zesty lime dressing. Whisk together lime juice, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper for the dressing. Toss the greens with mango slices, diced avocado, red onions, and cilantro. Drizzle with the dressing and sprinkle with slivered almonds or pumpkin seeds for added crunch. Mangoes provide fiber and vitamin C, while avocados offer healthy fats. Enjoy this nutritious and flavorful salad as a light lunch or side dish. Number 4. Buddha Bowl, a wholesome and balanced meal in a bowl. Buddha bowls are versatile and nutrient-dense meals that consist of a base cooked grains, a variety of colorful vegetables, a source of protein, healthy fats, and a flavorful dressing. They offer a balanced combination of macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals, making them a satisfying and wholesome choice. Customize your Buddha bowl with your favorite ingredients and enjoy a creative and colorful meal that incorporates a variety of vegetables, proteins, and whole grains into your diet. Number 3. Lentil curry, a hearty and flavorful vegetarian delight. Lentil curry is a hearty and flavorful vegetarian dish packed with protein, fiber, and aromatic spices. To make it, cook lentils and set them aside. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in oil or ghee, and then add spices, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and vegetable broth. Simmer the mixture and add the cooked lentils, allowing them to absorb the flavors. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, while the spices provide depth of flavor and potential health benefits. Serve the lentil curry on its own or with rice or naan bread. Lentil curry is a hearty and flavorful vegetarian dish packed with protein, fiber, and aromatic spices. Lentils provide plant-based protein and fiber, while spices add depth and potential health benefits. Serve the curry alone or with rice or naan bread. Number 2. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. A colorful and nutrient-packed dish. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers are a visually appealing and nutritious dish. To make them, cook quinoa and sauté diced onions, garlic, and additional vegetables. Mix the quinoa with the sautéed vegetables and season with herbs and spices. Stuff the bell peppers with the quinoa mixture and bake until tender. Garnish with fresh herbs before serving. Bell peppers are rich in vitamins, while quinoa provides protein and fiber. This dish is a great way to incorporate vegetables into your diet. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers are visually appealing and nutritious. Cook quinoa, sauté onions, garlic, and vegetables, then mix with the quinoa. Stuff bell peppers, bake, and garnish with fresh herbs. Bell peppers offer vitamins, while quinoa provides protein and fiber. A great way to enjoy vegetables. Number 1. Salmon with roasted vegetables. A nutrient-packed and omega-3 rich delight. Salmon with roasted vegetables takes the top spot as a delicious and nutritious dish. Preheat the oven, place vegetables on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, season, and top with salmon fillets. Roast until the salmon is cooked and the vegetables are tender. Salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, while roasted vegetables add vitamins and fiber. Serve as a main course or with a side of grains. Salmon with roasted vegetables is a top-rated dish that combines the health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids from salmon with a medley of roasted vegetables. Season and roast the vegetables with olive oil, then place the salmon on top and cook until done. Salmon offers essential nutrients, while the vegetables provide vitamins and fiber. Enjoy this flavorful and nutritious meal as the star of your dinner table. Thank you for joining us for our top 10 healthy meal ideas. We hope you found inspiration for your next nutritious dish. Subscribe to our channel for more recipes and culinary adventures. Happy cooking and stay healthy.